Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many people face when dealing with their devices. The issue at hand revolves around a particular dilemma that can be quite frustrating for users. So, let's roll up our sleeves and tackle this problem head-on. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. The key to resolving this issue lies in a simple yet effective technique. By following the solution provided, you'll be able to address the problem with ease and get your device back up and running smoothly. Remember, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. In a nutshell, the solution to this problem entails taking a specific course of action that can make all the difference. By implementing the suggested steps, you'll be able to overcome the obstacle in your way and prevent it from causing further headaches down the line. It's all about working smarter, not harder. To sum it up, we've explored a common problem that many people encounter with their devices and delve into the solution that can help alleviate the issue. Remember, the next time you face a tech challenge, don't panic, just follow the steps outlined, and you'll be back on track in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.